Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will be exploring NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 8.12%. This means an average daily loss of -0.54% since it was marked as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 13.83% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from -34.35% to -2.39%. Shifting our focus to a longer horizon, our 12-month assessment points to a projected change of -13.38%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance may fluctuate between -30.66% and 60.59% over the next year. In terms of future pricing, this would translate to a range between $2.43 and $5.64. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for NIO. The NIO stock price fell by 3.04% on the last day, which was Friday the 13th of June, 2025, declining from $3.62 to $3.51. It has now experienced a decline for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.87%, with a low of $3.49 and a high of $3.59. The price has dropped in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 0.85% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 18 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may indicate an early warning, suggesting that the risk could be slightly elevated in the coming days. 39 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $136.77 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 54.47%, or $4.20, below the 52-week high, and 94.76%, or $63.48, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is currently navigating a competitive landscape marked by a pricing war initiated by BYD, which began late last month. Despite these pressures, the company's vehicle margins improved to 10.2% in the first quarter of 2025 from 9.2% a year prior. NIO is optimistic about its delivery growth, projecting a year-over-year increase of 25 to 30% for the second quarter, driven in part by new model rollouts. However, NIO has also faced challenges including widening operating losses, which rose by 19% year-on-year, and a decline in profitability that has raised concerns about potential equity dilution. The stock has struggled this year, underperforming against its rivals with a drop of 17.4%, leading some analysts to suggest that it's undervalued in relation to peers based on its price-to-sales ratio. This creates a potential upside if management can effectively control costs and improve profitability. Looking forward, the current market dynamics, including tariff-related volatility and increasing competition, will likely influence NIO's stock price in the short term. However, if the company can capitalize on its growth initiatives and enhance financial stability, it may drive long-term investor confidence and positive stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating, with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present, indicated by the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.65 and $3.87. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April in the year 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 18.56%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal identified 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, noted 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.46. This level may provide a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 1 dime between its high and low, representing a change of 2.87%. In the past week, the stock recorded daily average volatility of 3.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is currently experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 470 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $3.52. If you do not hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already owning the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO finds its initial support level at $3.46. If this support level remains intact, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO displays several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 16th of June, we anticipate NIO will open higher by 2 cents, beginning trading at $3.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.